All right, I got to talk to you about my little treasure, my little gadget here that I wear every day. Um, some years back, I got sick and it's hard for me to lift everything. So basically, I stopped wearing purses. In return, I found these wrist wallets. I have ordered these time and time again. And so many people stop me and ask me, "What is that you wearing? How cool is that? Oh, wow, you can have everything on your wrist readily available." Even when I went to the airport, you guys, the guy was checking me out and he said, "Well, what's that?" And I said, "It's my wallet." He was like, "On your wrist?" And I said, "Yes." So he's like, "Oh, let me see that." So a lot of people haven't seen these types of things. So I just want to share this with you all. It is so convenient. It holds cash, all your cards, anything you need is readily available. And I just unzip this, grab my card, pay, and then I am out the door. I zip it back, and then I am good. I love having my hands free when I am out and about. Nowadays, I don't want to be an easy target because I'm carrying these heavy purses and things like that. When I have my hands free, it's really convenient in more ways than one. So these wrist wallets are so convenient. You're going to love them and they're comfortable. Sometimes I forget that I am wearing this. So if you have kids and you're running around with your kids, but you need your credentials on you, you can definitely use this wrist wallet. This is for men, women, and children, especially if you have a child who, they have a key to the house, but yet, they're in school, they're playing, they're running around. This way, it can stay on their wrist because it's elastic. And you can tell mine looks a little ruddy because I wear it so often. I wash it and everything like that. So it can go for your kids, your husband, anyone who needs to carry around anything with them, but don't want to have it in their hands or have it bulky in their pockets. Great little investment here. You guys won't regret it. I love my wrist wallet.